Wise payment for WooCommerce, mastering the config that blocks real revenue. So the silent killer, why your payment aren't clearing. The hidden trap wise does not include payment reference in webhooks and manual recollections costs. Every unmatched payment requires a manual lookup, draining admin time and slowing order fulfillment. Orders stuck in pending, misconfigured webhooks leave order status frozen, blocking inventory, release, and customer confirmation emails. The technical anatomy of a perfect setup. API token with read access, grant read permission to balance and transaction. No more, no less. The webhook bridge copy your unique WooCommerce webhook URL into voice and select the balance credit event trigger. Sandbox before live. Testing in Sandbox is mandatory. It catches ghost transaction errors before real money moves. Automating confidence, the scoring engine. Your plugin uses a multi-layer scoring system to verify payments automatically. No human intervention needed for high confidence matches. Matching the three verification layers work together: amount, match, timing proximity, and order history patterns. Auto-confirm threshold. Set your threshold to 90 plus, the gold standard for high confidence. Potential match alerts. Enable email alerts for borderland matches so no customer pay slips through the cracks unnoticed. Secure your flow, the path to seamless payment. Enable auto cancel for unpaid order. Run a light test transaction. Verify end to end. Confirm the webhook fire ends. Order transaction from pending to processing automatically. Stop reconciling manually with the right configure. Store scale without admin bottleneck. Automated verified payments every time. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, that with the question below, guys, happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.